Howdy folks, this is a review of the electronics of my F4U Corsair that went down to its fatal death a few weeks ago. Thought it was a tip stall. I was flying in about 15 to 20 mile an hour winds with high gusts, and it's turning downwind, and the plane just went into a downward spiral, unable to recover by the time it hit the ground. And I was looking at the electronics here to see what's working and what I may want to reuse in the rebuild of the plane, but I'm thinking probably not any of these because it just can't seem to get it to work properly. But review of what I'm using here: Thunder Power 3-cell 2250 milliamp 30C battery, and that's powering a 40 amp E-flite ESC and a Power 10 E-flite motor. Also using the stock Spectrum AR500 receiver that came with the RTF version, which is what I was flying, and these are the servos that came with that as well. Anyway, here's the ailerons, which seem to be a little jittery and slow. I don't think, at least the one there on the left isn't working properly, but there's some cross interference here too, it seems. Here's the elevator, that seems to be working okay, and the rudder tail wheel servo seems to be working okay, but I'm not able to get a solid light on the receiver. I tried rebinding it and that didn't make a difference. I have no power to the motor when I turn the throttle, so not sure what's going on there. Anyway, thinking it could be a bad receiver and or ESC, one of the two or maybe both, I'm not sure. And I just wanted to show you guys how this was responding, to get some ideas or thoughts as to what could be the problem here and what I need to replace. And also the motor, when you pull it, there's quite a bit of slop there, which I'm not liking too much either. It's actually hitting the back collar there that's over the motor shaft. So anyway, I wanted to see how the motor would run with that much slop in there. That's what I was going to test, but I can't even get any power to it. So almost about halfway with the rebuild. Got a new fuse and a new wing which is warped, and I'm waiting for a replacement wing from Horizon Hobbies. I tried fixing, I actually got it the same distance on each tip of the wing now with the boiled water method. Would also bubble this up, but I don't really care. I'm probably just going to use this as a secondary wing anyway. I already have the carbon fiber in there, and it's pretty stiff. Could be stiffer, but I'm not going to mess with it any more than I have to. I'm going to just rehinge it and put it on the plane and see how it flies. Anyway, any thoughts or ideas here are appreciated. Thanks, guys.